Hey guys, welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you how you can fix Davinci Resolve GPU initializing failed. It happens sometimes and yeah, I will show you how we can avoid that. So Windows often mistakenly assigns Davinci Resolve to the low power integrated GPU, Intel, AMD rather than your high power dedicated card like Nvidia or AMD, so causing initialize to fail. So what you are going to do is open up Windows settings. So we'll go to the system. Let me just open up the setting. Now here under the system we go to the display and then we will find here graphics just like that, and then you will click browse. Now here add to desktop app, and then we have here, I will type in the program files, and here is our Davinci Resolve. Now if I press add, so let's say this one, add right here, it is here, and you will set here high performances, so high performance Nvidia GeForce, and I will select that. This is first way how we can do that. Now second way is that we update our Nvidia Studio driver. So Nvidia, I will just open up, and right here in this Nvidia Studio driver you will see here you will download the official Nvidia Studio driver or use the G4 experience. Make sure I have for me game ready drivers works best, but if you find out that studio drivers works best for you, then leave it like that. Now you can also adjust the internal GPU preferences, so if you can reach the GPU configuration warning window before the app crashes, you can manually override the detection settings. So let's go here to the Davinci Resolve, then preferences, and find the memory and GPU. And right here, unlock the auto next to the GPU processing mode. Right here, manually select CUDA for NVIDIA or OpenCL for AMD. So I have here CUDA. And uncheck auto next to the GPU selection, so here, and manually check the box for your dedicated graphic card. As you can see, for me is NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4660. So yeah, this is basically it, how you can fix Davinci Resolve GPU initializing failed. I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next